Every innovation is rooted in deep expertise. ZHYAO, rooted since 1995. 30 years of expertise in smart coating equipment development and manufacturing. This place carries ZHYAO's earliest dreams and its foundational technologies. Here, our veteran technicians are not just operators, but true custodians of our technical legacy. They personally lead us through the shop floor. Walking through the shop floor, they share the how and why behind every process. Not only talking about the equipment, but also about the craftsmanship logic and technological evolution behind it. We believe that true expertise isn't just drawn on paper. It's held in the hands that have shaped it over time. This is the strength and warmth behind ZHYAO. Although we built a more modern facility in 2020, our original factory still carries a significant share of our production capacity and technical strength. It has not only witnessed our growth, but continues to drive us forward. 2 sites, 1 focus, legacy and innovation built on quality.